So we just got this in the mail. It's a PrunePro. Let's unbox it and see what we got. All right, here it is. Get it out of its wrapper. And I think you pull that. And then that's it, man. Bob's your uncle. Let's go trim something and see what happens. Yeah, it looks pretty sleek. I don't think there's anything. Ow, just I caught my finger in it. Damn it. I already injured myself. I haven't even started. All right, so anyway, here's a pesky branch that's sticking out that I've got to trim. So the first thing I do is I pull down on this. That releases this so I can cut. And then I'm going to cut it probably back here. I could go lower, but that's it right there. Done. And look over here. Got one right here I need to do too. So I'm going to try to get it closer to it. Not there. There we go. Pretty simple, right? Look at this thing. That's a big one, right? Let's see if we can cut through it. Let's just go right here. Oh, bam, that cut right through it. No problem. So this works pretty well, I gotta say. Let me get up a little bit. And we're gonna go ahead and cut some of these. So I wanna get them. I wanna try to get this all to length. You know what I mean? So it all looks uniform. It looks pretty good there. I got to get back here, right? Get that. Yeah, done. Got those. And see these ones here. See, I'm trying to get it all even. But this works perfect. I mean, look at that, done. I've got a big branch right here I want to get off of there. There we go. So I have to say that these things work pretty darn good, man. I'm pretty happy with them. They really do a good job at clipping. So if you guys want a pair, I'll put the link in the details and you can get them. They're sharp as hell, man. They work great. All right, I think that's it for today. So yeah, that worked out great. And I just got to clean everything up. I think we did pretty good on it. That looks pretty good for now. You know, it's kind of like a bonsai tree. So yeah, I would definitely highly recommend these. So if you want a good pruning shear, pick these up. The details will have a link where you can buy it. Peace out.